Okay, Mac. You know you're a pro racer, right? You want to get better.
You're holding it upside down.
Oh, well. You want to get better, right?
Yeah.
You want to get better, all right. You see this double?
Yes. How far is it?
About good 50 feet. Good 50 feet. Yeah.
On a pit bike?
Yeah, 110. Pro 110 racer.
Not souped up though.
No. Because you don't need it. You're too fast. All right. Get speed, okay?
Yeah.
You need, that's the key, okay? To have speed. Total key. You see this ramp?
Yeah.
Doesn't stable. Just playing. Don't hit that ramp. All right. Get speed about at that ramp. If you don't get enough speed, you're going to case that 50-foot double. And it's going to hurt really bad.
Is it going to hurt my nutsack?
Yes, it's going to hurt your nutsack really bad. You just got to stay on the gas. Stay on the gas. So you get right here. Or you can just keep on staying on the gas. It don't really matter. Whip it. Whip it. Okay?
All right.
Got it? All right, let's go.
Oh, man. Get that.
Get the bike ready! Gosh! Need to listen. You're going the wrong way! Go the right way! Alright, there we go. Speed! Speed! Gas it! Gosh! Gas it, gas it. Yes! Yes! No! 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 Come here! Come here! Come here! Right now! Hey! You better listen to me! Ooh, I'ma get... Ooh! There you go. Alright! Keep on the gas! No! Will you listen? Listen there! Ooh, you irk my nerves. There we go. He might got it. No. What did I say?
Keep your speed up.
Keep your speed up. And what did I say to do right here?
Get better.
Stay on the gas. I said stay on the gas. Right here at this jump. And you gotta do that. Do you hear me? Go. Gosh. Yes! Yeah! No! Gosh! You don't do that! You don't. Oh, God. Yes! Stay on it! Yes! Woo! 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 Yes! Yes! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yes!